Hey good people, it's Sheena. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a clean with me, and this is around 6 a.m. in the morning. So I wanted to get up before everyone else so I can go ahead and record this video. I didn't think I had that much to do, but when I got done, it was like breakfast time. So the laundry room is the biggest thing. So I'm not deep cleaning the laundry room. I just wanted to be like able to walk in there without hitting something. We worked on our French doors, and so we have like paint cans in here, towels from dropping of the paint. So it's just a little messy in here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for all of my supporters. If you've been with me from the beginning, I just want to give a big shout out to you guys. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the video.
already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So now that I'm done with the laundry room, later on I'm going to have my kids mop all the floors that I swept because I'm tired and it's a Saturday morning, so they all have their chores they have to do. So back in my 20s, I would just buy so many shower curtains, like the decorative shower curtains. When they got old, I would just throw them away, and then I started buying the cloth shower curtain with the vinyl lining, so that way I can wash both of them. And whenever I know I want my bathroom to smell like fresh as soon as you walk in there, washing my shower curtain is always the first thing that I do. It just smells so good. Usually I stick with the white shower curtain so I can just do bleach. But yes, it just makes your bathroom smell amazing. And I'm not buying shower curtains as frequently as I used to. So this is towards the end of the video. I'm all done. There goes the old tile that we have to keep clean because we still have to appreciate our home. I'm going to go ahead and light these candles, make me some coffee, make my plate so I can eat breakfast. Everyone else is up in the house. And just thank you again for clicking on this video. Until next time, take care.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Added up plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer.